This week we have a big spay and neuter campaign for, well, actually for St. Nicholas especially, until Santa Cruz, where all people that have animals, puppies, kittens, bigger dogs, bigger cats that come bring their animals and they get spayed and neutered for free. They get a microchip. If there are people that have no transportation, they can also, we can help. We can pick up the animals and bring it back home when it's done, when it's ready. So we're trying to get as much animals from St. Nicholas to get spayed and neutered so we don't get unwanted puppies and kittens all over the streets. This campaign here in St. Nicholas is this week. We started on Monday, we did Tuesday, I think we did around 100 animals. Today we're not operating, we will be operating tomorrow again and Friday. And hopefully we will get another 100 animals. This campaign will be finished on Friday, but there's always all the vets, not all the vets, there's a couple of vets that have free spay and neuter, like VSH, through Luna Foundation, people can always tell. The Cajuary in Santa Cruz has free spay and neuter where people can just from next week also bring their animals. And there's another one. There's 3 vets, I think. There's VSH, Cajuary, I don't know the third one right now, but there's a couple of vets that spay and neuter for free. Yes, tomorrow and Friday for sure, and if later they need help for free spay and neuter, they can always contact Luna Foundation, VSH, Cajuary, Veterinary to get help. Yes, it's for free. The dog will be microchipped and registered on your address, your name, and even strays can be picked up and also be neutered and spayed. It's no problem.